In this video, you will learn how to open multiple programs with single click, how to launch Windows applications, and how to modify script for your own PC and what subprocess is. So let's start by importing the module that is subprocess. So subprocess basically allows Python to start external programs and execute Windows commands. Let's import the subprocess module, import subprocess module, and we'll simply now open the applications. To do that, we'll simply use subprocess.popen, and inside the round brackets inside the quotation marks we'll simply type the name of the application. In this case, we want to open the calculator, so we'll simply say calculator.exe. That's it. And if you want to open another program, that is subopen, and let's say, for example, we want to open a notepad.exe, and the third program is, for example, let's say open, and we want to open MS Paint. That's it. Now just execute the file or run the script, and we got all the applications loaded. That's it. And for example, if you want to now open the browser, Chrome browser, we simply have to use subprocess.popen, and inside the quotation marks we simply have to, if the file path is already added in the system path, you can simply use chrome.exe, and if it's not, then you have to use the complete path of the exe. In this case, it is like this. So if you now execute the code, it will open the Google Chrome. And another module is a web browser module. So for example, if you want to open a website, you can simply use a web browser module. For that, let me import it first. Import web browser module, and then we will use web browser.open. Inside the quotation marks, we'll simply type the link http://www.google.com, and this will simply open this website for me. So that's all for today, and you got a challenge from me. You simply have to modify a program so that it opens Chrome, Visual Studio Code, File Explorer, Command Prompt, and your favorite website. So this will give you a personalized one-click workspace launcher.